Today we have an air stapler here. The model is 904OC. This is the model we have right here. This tool is operated by air, as you can see here. We're going to use this air hose to pump some air on it. So here, when you open the box, you can find the instructions manual. I recommend you to read to get all the safety advertisements and all this. Here we have the tool. And as you can see, you have a magazine here, where's that we're going to put all the nails inside. We have this hole right here from where we're going to pump the air to activate the tool. And this is a trigger. We use it for the nailing. So for our first step, we're going to put these nails facing out like this. Close the magazine. Now it's arm and dangerous, all right? So the second step, we're going to put some air on it. Like this. Now, right now it's arm. So we have to be careful with our hands because at this point it's very dangerous. And if you don't be careful, you may injure yourself. So what we do here is that we make contact on the wood like this. And then we just activate the trigger. And that's the way we use it. To unplug it, we just have to push this down and we remove the magazine and the cartridge right here. So we're ready to keep the tool again.